Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video. So I've got my flexi hand ready and we're going to be doing a set using Natalie Genesis acrylic. I've got Nighthawk and Busy Lizzie. These are like two of my favourite ones that they do at the moment. I'm also using one of my all-time favourite glitters, Burlesque from Nail Sugar, and I'm using Crystalline, which is one of the micro mylars. This one I think came from the advent calendar last year. There are several of these micro mylars on the website and every single one of them is amazing, so do go and check them out. I'm also going to be using Lily and Crystal from Natalie. Now this set I've done this set before the kids broke up for lockdown, and we are now in, are we in the 5th week or the 4th week? No, we're in the 5th week now, aren't we, of lockdown? Is it the 5th week already? So yeah, so this set I had done ages ago, so I thought I'd better get it edited and uploaded because it's, I don't know. Anyway, so I've put Busy Lizzie at the free edge and I'm putting Nighthawk at the cuticle area. Now these two are really, I really like working with these powders. They're really nice. I'm doing an Ombre. Nighthawk is so nice. I'm really sorry if you can hear the digger outside, but the window's open because it's a glorious day and yeah, we need some fresh air through. So I'm going in with Burlesque. I'm going to do like a swoosh. So if your ombre isn't perfect, don't worry, because the swoosh will kind of cover it up. And then over the Burlesque swoosh, I'm going in with some Crystalline Micro Mylar. This is just gonna, honestly, oh my days, I love Micro Mylar over the glitter. I just think it gives it, oh, I don't know, it's just so nice. It's so nice. So there we go. That is the pinky all done. The middle finger, I am going in with Nighthawk at the cuticle area, and I'm gonna just fade it down. We're going to cover the whole nail with this. I love this colour so much. Now can we have a sale on at the moment, a 20% off sale, and I think it's running until the 1st of May, and the code that you need is April 20, but I'll leave the codes in the titles at the bottom and in the description box actually for you. Then we're going to go over with some Burlesque glitter from Nail Sugar. Nail Sugar, you can always get 10% off at Nail Sugar using my code NATMUG10. So yeah, just grab yourself some bargains today, why not? And then over that Burlesque, we're going to go in with the Crystalline Micro Mylar. It's got this bluey, I don't know, I just thought it went really nicely with this glitter. Oh, I love it. Then we are going to do a marble, so I'm going in with Busy Lizzie first, and this is going to be put at the cuticle area just to make sure that we've got a nice neat cuticle. Then I'm getting wet beads of colour and I'm placing them on top of each other. Then I'm going to use the tip of my brush to move that, just to marble through the colour, and I always go sort of like bottom left to top right, or top right to bottom left, whichever way you want to do it. I just love these colours so much. And then I'm going to do a little bit at the bottom because we need to fill in the last bit. You could have a clear tip, I suppose, or just glitter on the bottom, but look at that. Beautiful. Then I'm going to go through with some of the Burlesque glitter. Again, I'm going to add some of the Crystalline Micro Mylar through that as well. I think I do anyway. Oh, how nice is that though? I love that so much. Yeah, bit of Crystalline on. Just gives it this like nice iridescent-y feel as well. There we go. And then we're going to move on to the index finger. This one is pretty simple. We're literally going to cover the whole nail in Busy Lizzie. Oops, I got it all over the skin. That's not really skin, but it is skin. But it's not really. So don't do that if you're doing it on a client, because they might get an allergic reaction. And then we are going to do like a swooshy thing with a glitter again. This nail looks wonky, doesn't it? Maybe it's just the angle of the... Maybe, I don't know. I don't know. Oh, let me know in the comments below if you own burlesque. And if you do not, why not? I love it. You need it. So we're going to do another swooshy swoosh. So if your acrylic starts to set before you put the glitter on, you can use a small wet bead of clear acrylic to pick up that glitter and place it on. If the acrylic hasn't started to set, you could probably put the glitter into that unset acrylic without using any clear acrylic, and then obviously that will decrease any bulk that you might get. So then we're going to go over again with the crystalline. By the way, on Wednesday, I think I'm going to try and get it up Wednesday. I haven't actually done it yet. I'm going to record me doing one of those black face mask peel things. I see people do it and they're like in pain, and I don't think, can it really be that painful? So I bought some from Amazon and it arrived yesterday. So I'm going to give it a go, and I'm hoping to upload it on Wednesday because I don't normally upload on Wednesdays. Last Wednesday's video was that silly waxing my tash one, so I thought this Wednesday's one could be doing a black face peel. Yeah, we'll give it a go anyway. Oh, and also, me and Mrs. Nail Sugar herself, me and Karen, the lovely Karen from Nail Sugar, we're doing a giveaway. Ooh, yes, we are. And I know, another giveaway. We done one last week with Madam Glam. We're doing one this week with Karen. If you want to win £30 worth of Nail Sugar gift vouchers, and a Nail Sugar Nat Mug detailer brush, we're giving one of those away too with the £30 gift voucher. Yes, yes, yes. So you've got £30 to spend at Nail Sugar. All you need to do is subscribe to my channel. You need to subscribe to Karen's channel. I'm going to leave the link to her channel in my description box, and comment below when you've done it, and we will pick one lucky winner to win £30 of Nail Sugar vouchers. Oh yeah, baby. So let me know once you've done it in the comments below, and we will announce the winner on Friday. So you've got 5 days to enter. Oh my gosh, I'd go mad if I had £30 worth of glitter. All right, yeah. Anyway, back to the nails. Oh, sorry. I've done another ombre again, and then added burlesque and crystalline. So this is them before we're going to cap them. I do go off on a tangent, don't I? Yeah, so black face mask peel is on Wednesday. Now we're going to cap them, and I'm only going to show you me capping the pinky because I tend to do it in like 50 million beads sometimes, and it gets on my tits. And I think, can people really be bothered to watch me capping? I don't know. I know some people like it. I personally, I don't know. I just don't like doing it. But hey ho. I really, really hate filing. I think that's the worst bit that I hate of all the nails. You know, all the nail set is the filing for me. Anyway, yeah. So, yeah. I made some polygel rings. I kind of want to do something to raise some money for the NHS. So I was kind of like thinking, should I do like a face mask peel on my arms and legs? Or I was going to make some polygel rings. I've already made one. Done a video of me making it. So if you want to see that, let me know in the description box below. Although I'll probably post it anyway, so it doesn't even matter. But I thought I could make a few of them and perhaps sell some of them and give the money to charity, to the NHS. I don't know. I feel like I want to do my bit, and I'm trying to think of ways to do my bit. So if you've got any ideas, if you want to see me do something stupid, and you'll pay some money to see it, but you know, it would be donating it to NHS. Oh, I don't know. Am I waffling a bit now? Yes, I am. Okay, right. So we've capped them all. I've filed and buffed them, and this is what they look like. And it's now top coating time. It's top coating time. And we're going to use Nail Chemie's non-wipe top coat for this. Oh look, I managed to cut my thumb. Not that anyone needs to see that. I don't know why, I just felt like I wanted to show everyone. They'll probably get demonetized for having blood in my video now. So maybe I should blur it out or something. Don't know if I can do that, but I might blur it out anyway. Oh dear. Okay, so we are going to top coat the nail. I'm properly waffling, aren't I? Can you tell I've not had a proper adult conversation for a while? Even though my other half has been home, I don't think I can call him an adult. Just kidding. Anyway, right, yeah, next nail. This is probably my favourite of all of them. Oh, though, hang on, the thumb's pretty good. Hang on, let me know. I don't know. Let me know which one is your fave. Look, I just love that. I love crystalline micromylar on top of the burlesque. I think it's bloody gorgeous. Oh, it's so nice. Love that. I could just sit in here like, you know, like Homer Simpson dribbles over donuts. This is literally what I do when it comes to top coating time. And the dig has stopped. Probably not for long, but it has stopped. So let's just enjoy the silence. Oh, this is the thumb. I love this thumb. Oh, look at that. I think that might be my favourite. Yeah. So once you have top coated them, nail Camise top coat cures in an LED lamp for 30 seconds. And there we go. Oh my gosh, I love them so much. I bloody love that glitter. So yeah, so don't forget, if you want to get involved in the giveaway, subscribe to my channel, subscribe to Miss Karen's channel. The link will be in the description box below. And then comment in the comments section when you've done it. And we will pick a winner next Friday. Thank you for watching. If you did like this video, please leave me a like. Make sure you're subscribed just because, you know, what the heck. And I will see you beautiful lot tomorrow. Bye.